If you want to disable shortcuts in Firefox, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can turn off those shortcut suggestions from your Firefox homepage in just a few clicks. This is a simple change, but it can make your browser feel cleaner and less distracting, especially if you want a more minimal start page every time you open Firefox. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. This is the icon with the 3 horizontal lines. When the menu opens, click Settings. On some versions, you may need to scroll a little to find it, but it should be easy to locate. After the Settings page opens, look at the left side or near the top for the Home section and click Home. This is where Firefox lets you control what appears on your home screen and New Tab page. Now scroll until you find the Firefox Home Content area. This section contains the options for things like shortcuts, recommended content, highlights, and other homepage elements. To disable shortcuts, simply find the Shortcuts option and turn it off. In most cases, this will be a toggle switch, so click it once and make sure it is disabled. As soon as you turn it off, Firefox should stop showing shortcut tiles on your home page and New Tab screen. If you want an even cleaner look, you can also review the other Firefox Home Content options while you're here and turn off anything else you don't use. That way, your browser starts up with only the content you actually want to see. Once you've made the change, you can close the Settings tab and go back to normal browsing. Now, every time you open a new tab or the Firefox homepage, the Shortcuts section should no longer appear, and that's it. You've successfully disabled shortcuts in Firefox. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple browser tips and tutorials.